has de venir al NIOZ. És un lloc fantàstic per treballar. I'm Laura, and I'm a research scientist here at NIOZ. I'm originally from Barcelona. I came here to the Netherlands 5 years ago to start this new adventure at the NIOZ. I really like the interdisciplinarity, the fact that there's so many experts of so many fields here, always willing to help you. Also that there's this collaborative environment that everybody is willing to help. I think that's priceless. One of our main drives is knowing more about paleoclimate by looking at the lipids of certain microbes that lived millions of years ago and trying to reconstruct how they were growing at which temperature, so that we can know a little bit about the temperature in the past and being able to apply that knowledge for example, in climate models and reconstruct the temperature maybe in the future. It's a small little island, but it has a lot of character, so you can see small things that you had not really paid attention to before. When you have the lamps, the little lamps, and you see them playing and jumping, it's something that probably I would have never stopped to see before, or to see the flowers when they come out, or see the farmers in Texel. So it really is like you see the different seasons. I like that, to see that. My favorite spot is the Slufter. Every time I go there, I have the chance to see the microbes growing in the sun, like if they were like a piece of cake with layers, and take out my Swiss knife and I cut a piece of sediment and I look at it and I start looking at all the different microbes. I guess one of my major regrets is that I spent so much time away from home. Fortunately, it's only just physical distance. It is really close by. In 1 hour, 20 minutes or so, you are in Schiphol, and you jump in the plane, you are in Barcelona in 2 hours, or anywhere in Europe, basically.
No, it's a little bit lighter.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
I've always been really interested on methods that you can apply to know much more about microbes. Like, who are they? Are they very abundant? Do they like to be in spring or in summer? Do they exchange things to each other? This is what I want to know. My contribution is to bring a new field into this organic biogeochemistry discipline. It's the field of like genomic techniques, looking at the genes, looking at the DNA, and to answer some questions that organic geochemists had for a long time, but they just weren't aware of these techniques. I feel kind of responsible to push them, to knock on their door and say, hey, I'm the DNA lady, I'm gonna bug you a bit. I'm just gonna give you this thing that you're gonna use a lot from now on and you're gonna love it. I want to publish more, make my own field inside organic geochemistry, and bring something new. So in terms of myself as a scientist, I think these years are the best years for me. It's when I'm getting much more scientific output out of myself, and I'm hoping to keep this level for years.